Trying. He's just got a face like that, and it.
This one that talks looks like your
Jaeger.
But I was going to do it with mine because
I'm just getting to see.
my cat does fucking meow. You can talk to my cat and go, everything alright? And it go meow, meow,
Yeah.
meow, meow. And it will answer.
That is
It's like
funny.
it's answering you.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
If you see when we had Miss.
You can find out.
Oh, that's better. Thank you.
That's what I want to do. I want to start.
No, mate, that's fine.
Is it your belly?
Thank you.
What?
Nothing.
Too much beer.
You're dieting.
I start today.
But you don't. You
No,
look
I-
fat. Is
Today I start.
Oh,
having baby in his belly.
too much beer.
Is it?
Not good for you.
That's for you. Nothing, huh?
Oh.
Oh, thank you. That's all right. No, I will because I'll have another one.
Sorry.
You got a stomachache?
Oh, yeah, just a little bit. Oh.
Are you feeling alright?
That's what beer does to you.
You got to do it when she comes back. She went, what the fuck? You got to do it again, you got to do it again. Hang on. Ooh.
You're right over there. Oh dear, dear.
My stomach hurts. Can I have a vodka with that?
You not got vodka yet?
No. Oh, TV me.
Can we have a vodka as well, please?
Thank you. Neil, your beer's getting warm.
Oh,
Thank
too
you.
much beer. Oh, here it goes again.